my YouTube channel. This is Deepti Gaba और today आप लोगों ने already देख लिया है topic क्या है. I am talking about these three shades that is by Aegte Lip and Cheek Tint, and I have already tried it. I received my parcel like some time ago, and I wanted to really try before I give you guys the review, the true review about it. So it is 100% organic, it's 100% vegan, so I love that thing about it. It comes in this kind of boxes, and it has shelf life of 2 years, and it has the shades I'm gonna tell you first. One is the beetroot, which this is my favorite. Then is orange. It's not like my second favorite, but yeah, it's like pretty okay. I can try using it sometime, like if I want some change. And then is this pink. Like they both come I think this is just one step ahead, the beetroot one, then this pink rose. And like in pink rose, it has the natural extract of rose petals, and it can show, you have already seen the swatches, and you can see you can actually find out that how pigmented it is. And then comes the beetroot one. Okay, so beetroot is actually my top favorite of the shades of lip and cheek tint category. And in this, of course, it has the beetroot extract. All of these have the the vitamins, the benefits of vitamins and the natural extracts. And the orange one has orange extract. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna apply, the best part is that you can use it on your eyes, cheeks and your lips, and I'm gonna show you. So I'm confused like which one to show you on what. So first I'm gonna go on lips, because I really want my lips to be layered with this. So beetroot or pink rose, which one should I go for? I think I'm gonna go for pink one for my lips, and I want this beetroot on my cheeks. So I'm gonna show you. I've already used it. So, and guys, you can actually put this on and sleep as well. Put it in the night, because obviously it reduces the the pigmentation on your lips. It also it moisturizes the chapped lips, so it's pretty good. And you can see this pink on my lips. So this is with the natural pink rose extracts, and guys, it actually lightens up the dark lips as well. Okay, so then I'm gonna go on cheeks, and then I have this one. This is the beetroot one. I have to clean my hand, my finger. Okay, so here I go. I'm just gonna apply it here and just blend. I kind of blend with the other finger. Look at that. Guys, in the summertime, you really want some color on your face, but still you don't want a lot of product to be layered on the face, and that too, that should last longer. So this would, and obviously you sweat, so whatever powder you put, it kind of goes off. So this one won't. I had already applied a foundation beneath, but I have not set. So I'm just gonna blend this out. Okay, so now let's apply on the eyes. So one thing is there that I don't recommend completely you just feel like it's gonna be it's gonna be crease proof. No, it is smudge proof, but not 100%. I don't feel it's 100% smudge proof, but yeah, it's not easily transferable. So I'm gonna take this orange, and I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna apply just a little, because you keep blinking, so you don't want a thick layer of product on your lids. I'm just gonna apply it here so that you can just see the shade like that. It looks pretty cute. Look at this. Alright, so I also want to show you the beetroot on my lips. So I'm just gonna, I've removed the pink one, and here you go. Personally, this is my favorite, and this is closest to my natural lip color. It looks so cute. I love this color. Like, I love beetroot. I've already told you, like, this is like my favorite shade. And of course, because it is made with natural extracts of beetroot, so if you continuously keep applying it, of course it does, like, you know, it's understood, it does add on some color, it removes the pigmentation, and obviously it's pretty moisturizing. Like, I won't say it's like completely matte. Obviously it's lip and cheek tint in the balm form, so it's not completely matte, but if you want, you can just apply a thin layer of you know, powder to just set it and let it last for longer time. Okay, so now the pricing. This comes in 15 grams of packaging, and this is plastic packaging, and it is of 799 rupees each, and it comes with a shelf life of 2 years. Alright, so here is the quick review about this lip and cheek tint by Aegte, and I hope you like this. It's useful to you. I would recommend you can go for either beetroot or a pink rose. I like these two more, but if you are towards a little fairer side, then you can choose between orange and pink, and you're gonna love it. Look, you can go for beetroot as well, but this one also, like, you know, you can go for. So if you want to watch free makeup tutorials on daily basis, come to my new Instagram page, that is Deepti Gaba Tutorials, and join me on my Snapchat, that's Deepti Gaba. So do join me, guys. I'm gonna see you there. There's a lot of fun, and of course, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. I love you guys.